Welcome to the award-winning Hāpara Student Dashboard, a one-stop hub for assignments, announcements, and resources. It's a tool designed to promote student agency by helping learners better manage their time, improve organization, and develop executive functioning skills. You've probably noticed that learners can get lost or confused amongst all of the digital learning tools that they have at their disposal: Google Classroom, Google Apps, Hapara, and many more. This leads to information overload sometimes and general confusion because learners haven't necessarily developed the capacity to deal with all of the noise of the digital environment. We developed Student Dashboard to deal with exactly these kinds of challenges and empower learners to take control of their own learning journey. By providing learners with a one-stop hub for all of their assignments, announcements, and resources, Student Dashboard takes on the task of teaching those important skills and providing learners with context for why it's so important. Let's see how it works. Hāpara Student Dashboard is designed to be extremely user-friendly for learners. It's a flexible platform because there are lots of ways for learners to customize what they see here. At the top of the page, learners can click on any of their classes or subjects to view information for only a particular class, or they can view all classes at once. It depends on what works best for the learner. An age-old problem in education is getting learners to turn assignments in on time, but we have to remember that kids are dealing with a lot of deadlines and requirements from different teachers. The To-Do section of Student Dashboard brings all of the learners' assignments into one feed. The To-Do section shows all of the assignments the learner has been assigned with helpful filters and icons. Learners can prioritize more easily because they will know right away what's urgent and what can wait. Getting the right information out to learners is very important, but it can sometimes be difficult to ensure that they get that information in an efficient way, especially if they are receiving it from a variety of different channels. The notification section helps learners organize their communications. They get emails, announcements, assignment notifications, graded and returned work all in one place. Learners can filter their view of notifications or view everything all at once. This is way better than making them go to their Gmail account, then Google Classroom, and then to their grades, for example. Receiving all notifications in one live feed makes it much more likely that learners will get important information when they need it. We have all fallen into the habit of file disorganization at one point or another, but the Workspaces and My Files sections helps kids organize their digital lives. The Workspaces section puts all Hapara workspaces the learner is assigned to in one place that they can filter by class. The My Files section displays all files that have been shared with them and files they've recently opened. This means learners are just one click away from finding a file they need or a workspace they are assigned to work on. Organized learners means self-regulated, empowered learners. Hāpara Student Dashboard, a one-stop shop for managing schoolwork in a digital world.